friends, and welcome to the Infinite Academy. This is an exclusive story video for beginners to help you read better. The stories in this video are read in 3 different speed levels. Watch the video many times, and once you are confident with your reading, then mute the volume of this video and try to read the lines on your own. Meg the Hen. Meg is a lion. Meg lives in a den. Meg sees a hen in his den. The hen runs. The hen begs Meg. The lion to leave her. Meg bites the hen's leg. There are some men near the pen. They see Meg with the hen. They throw a big peg on Meg. Meg runs to his den. Meg and the Hen. Reading speed 2. Meg is a lion. Meg lives in a den. Meg sees a hen in his den. The hen runs. The hen begs Meg. The lion to leave her. Meg bites the hen's leg. There are some men near the pen. They see Meg with the hen. They throw a big peg on Meg. Meg runs to his den. The Infinite Academy, a value-based education center for all. We train students to develop their English skills in all areas. Contact us for more details. Do leave a comment if you really enjoyed learning with me and subscribe to my channel. Bye!